Airline profits soar despite rising ticket prices. U.S. airlines report strong demand, offsetting fuel cost increases, with record ticket sales continuing despite price hikes. Fuel costs surge, but demand remains high. Major U.S. airlines are facing significantly higher fuel costs due to the war in Iran, with jet fuel prices up roughly 50% since late February. Despite this, airline executives reported at an investor conference this week that travel demand remains exceptionally strong, with no significant drop in bookings despite increased ticket prices. Record sales across all travel segments. Executives from American Airlines, Delta Airlines, and United Airlines confirmed that each carrier has absorbed approximately $400 million in additional fuel expenses. However, they maintain their profit forecasts for the first quarter, citing record-breaking ticket sales across all travel classes, including corporate, international, premium leisure, and domestic routes. "We're seeing strength in every market that we look at," said Delta CEO Ed Bastian, underscoring the broad nature of the demand. American Airlines anticipates a greater than 10% year-over-year revenue increase for the first quarter, marking their largest quarterly rise in revenue ever. This resilience in sales suggests travelers are willing to pay higher fares, particularly for last-minute flights often used by business travelers. Why this matters? A shift in traveler behavior. The continued strength in travel demand, despite rising costs, indicates a shift in consumer behavior. Travelers appear less price-sensitive than previously assumed, potentially due to pent-up demand after pandemic restrictions and an overall willingness to absorb higher expenses for experiences like vacations and business trips. This trend raises questions about the long-term sustainability of price increases. How long will consumers continue to pay premiums? Will airlines eventually face pushback if prices climb further? The current situation shows airlines are benefiting from a unique moment of inelastic demand, but this may not last indefinitely. The industry's ability to maintain profits will depend on whether it can find ways to mitigate fuel costs further, such as hedging strategies or fuel efficiency improvements, or whether demand will eventually moderate as prices rise. For now, however, airlines are proving remarkably resilient in the face of economic headwinds. Airline profits remain strong due to high demand, despite fuel costs rising due to global instability.